Take a look at these baby sneakers. Soft, handmade, and yet so stylish. In this video, I'll show you a very simple way to turn basic crocheted baby sneakers into a clean, Vans-inspired look. Both of these pairs are made from the same base pattern. For this decoration, I'm using the same yarn and hook as in the base pattern. The difference is just this small detail. This kind of finishing turns cute baby booties into a truly special, trendy gift, the kind people love to photograph and share. If you like having a printable version to work from, I have a PDF available for this model. You will also find links to all the free video tutorials in the description below. For this decoration, we'll crochet 4 small stripes. Each stripe is 2.5 inches long. You'll need 2 stripes for each sneaker. Let's begin. Start with a slip knot and make a foundation chain. In my case, I make 21 chains. Your number may be slightly more or less, just aim for a length of 2.5 inches. Once you have the right length, work 1 turning chain and make single crochets in each chain till the end. Pull up a long loop through the last stitch and cut the working yarn. Choose the side you like more and make it the right side. The yarn ends will stay on the wrong side. Take a tapestry needle and weave in the yarn ends. The ends won't be visible anyway once we glue the stripe onto the side of the sneaker. Crochet 3 more stripes, making sure they're all the same length. Now we move on to the most interesting part, shaping the stripe into a wave and carefully gluing it to the side of the sneaker. I'm using textile glue. If I can find the exact one, I'll leave the link in the description below. I glue the stripe in small sections. This makes it easier to control the placement, and if something isn't quite straight, you can gently adjust and reattach it. I usually look at the original design and use it as inspiration. shape, and attach the second stripe the same way, keeping it balanced with the first one. Don't worry about perfect symmetry. Handmade pieces are never identical, and that's their beauty. Create with love and be gentle with yourself. This is how the finished Vans-inspired version looks, in black and in pink. The white and pink combination is very close to the adult version, while black yarn can be a bit more challenging to work with. So if you're just starting, I recommend choosing lighter colors first. If this video was helpful, feel free to give it a like. As a small reminder, you can find the step-by-step printable PDF pattern for the This Low-Cut Baby Sneakers in my online shop. It includes recommended yarn options and all decoration variations in branded styles. The link is in the description below. In the next video, I will share how to decorate this model in a Nike-inspired style. Feel free to subscribe if you would like to continue crafting together. Thank you and see you soon.